I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad 1kl step by step. Boil salted water and cook elbow macaroni to al dente, then drain and rinse under cold water. While pasta cools, dice celery and onion and chop pickles if you like them. Whisk mayonnaise, vinegar, mustard, salt, and pepper until smooth. Fold veggies and dressing into pasta gently and chill for flavor melding before serving. Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil and add the macaroni. Stir occasionally to prevent clumping and cook until just al dente so the salad stays firm. Immediately drain the pasta and run cold water until it is cool to the touch to halt cooking. Spread on a tray briefly to let excess water evaporate before tossing with dressing and mix-ins for the best consistency. Whisk together mayonnaise, vinegar, a teaspoon of mustard, and a pinch of sugar until smooth and creamy. Fold the dressing into cooled macaroni with diced celery, onion, and chopped pickles for texture and brightness. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, adding a little more vinegar if you want extra tang. Chill the salad for at least an hour to let flavors marry, then stir gently before serving or packing for a picnic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.